We're just about to arrive at number 6 St John's Drive in Hyde. I lived here for about 18 months, and while I lived here I was a subject to antisocial abuse and also harassment and intimidation by Jigsaw Homes, the landlord. We're just about to enter the property, and I will now begin to show you the first repair and show you the incidences of harassment and antisocial abuse that Jigsaw Homes say just never happened, and as you can see, it clearly has and clearly did, and this is just at the front door. So we're about to go inside now.